Arctic animal. Some animals live in the cold places. Arctic is one of the coldest places on the earth. Hares live in the Arctic. They turn white in winter. Snow owls live in the Arctic. They hunt in day. Fox live in the Arctic. They have a thick fur. Wolves live in the Arctic. They hunt in past. Caribou live in the Arctic. They are good swimmers. Moose live in the Arctic. They hunt when they have an hunt. Seal live in the Arctic. They are white when they was young. Oscar live in the Arctic. They hunt sea animals. Polar bear live in the Arctic. They eat seal.